Hey guys, today I'm going to be teaching my mom how to make slime. And I'm going to be using the clear glue, and she'll be using the white glue. And for our solution, we have Gain. It's a detergent. Oh no. It is green. If you guys can see that. And we have tissue papers under this because we want our table to be clean and stuff. And what you guys will be needing, as you guys can see, to make slime is detergent. I will not recommend to use borax because I heard a lot of bad stuff about it, like it can burn your hands and stuff. So we're using detergent, or you could use eye contact solution. And all you need is glue that has PVA in it, 3 spoons. If you are going to be having 2 people make it with just one spoon, and a bowl, 2 bowls actually for the detergent and this. So yeah, let's get started. So all you're gonna do is just pour the glue in the bowl. I will not be using all of the clear glue. Okay, that's enough. And you can put as much as you feel like you want to put. So you guys can't really see mine.
Like this. So hers is clear, mine's white.
Like, you guys can kind of see it's like up there. So then we mix it. But for the clear slime, try to be careful because you do not want air bubbles. But for the white slime, you do not have to worry. Okay, and now next step, you have to add a spoon of detergent. And it will dye the clear slime, so you just have to be really careful when you do
So I'm mixing it.
You guys can kind of see the clear slime.
Because Evelyn's clear, my bowl is white, so I'm going to try to show you guys when I'm mixing it.
As you guys can see, this is... Okay, and add in another spoon. Or your slime is actually almost good. Add like half of a spoon. Clear slime is more delicate. That's why I give her the white. And now you can start kneading it with your hands, Mom. You can start kneading it. Now she's going to start kneading it with her hands. This is how my slime's turning out. I think I'll call this a Ghostbuster slime.
Okay, what if my thing is really sticky?
Okay, you will add in more of this. And it needs to be sticky. All you need to do is just knead it. Okay. Look at my mom's face.
I think I'm doing this all wrong. It's sticky.
No, you just need
No, I think this.
you need to keep on kneading it. Just knead, 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 knead. That's what I've seen the videos say. Here's a little bit more detergent. I think you need a little bit. Okay.
Oh, it's getting less sticky on me.
That's what the detergent does.
Oh, it's starting to form a slime.
And look at mine. It's starting to form a slime too. I think I'll start kneading it with my hands now.
Look.
I haven't played with clear slime, or I haven't made clear slime in a while. So
Then I take the slime and take my pieces off. What I have left. Oh no. Oh, it's starting to stick. So do I need more detergent?
no, you just need to keep on kneading. And then after this, we will do some ASMR. Okay. This is how my slime's starting to come out. As you guys can see, it's like this because the clear slime has a lot of air bubbles in it. But that's what you have to do when you have clear slime, because you're going to be mixing it up, and as you guys can see, it's like really sticky. Okay, what I do if I have it, I just dip my finger or something into the detergent and just mix it. Look, it's so sticky. So my mom's already finished. I'm not finished. Okay, do need more. I think this is starting to get better. I do not know why I thought this was like almost done. So sticky. It's like all over my hands right now. It is starting to get better. Okay, I'm gonna put it back in the bowl. You could give them, say, some ASMR, Mom, poking it.
What?
You have to poke it.
So I'm poking it. So do I put it on the table like this?
Well, yeah. But they have to see it. Bend down the camera. My mom's not really professional at poking yet, so that's why it doesn't really make a lot of noise. My mom's a starter on slime.
I think I did pretty good first
Yeah.
time.
She did amazing. She did better than me the first time, actually.
Okay, it's time for me to go because I got to feed Harley and start making dinner for you guys. But we should put food coloring in there to make different colors.
Yeah, so my mom's done. You guys can just watch me right now. And when I am done, too, which I'm almost done right now, then I will do some poking for you guys. Okay. Ooh, my mom's really nice. I think she did amazing. Her first time. Okay, so for my slime, I might call it Ghostbuster slime. Looks so cool. Just keep kneading, keep kneading. Okay. So this is how the slime is. I think it's pretty good. It's still kind of sticky, but I don't need to add any solution. Look at that poking noise. Maybe I'll add in a teensy weensy bit. Okay. And I will do another video with my dad to teach him how to make slime. I know this video is kind of like teaching you guys how to make slime, but I was teaching my mom. I was just saying this stuff just in case if you guys didn't know either. So, if you guys are going to be commenting down below like, that didn't sound like teaching your mom or somebody how to make slime. I know it didn't really. But I just was like that. I know it didn't really sound like it, but it kind of looks kind of like shiny, pearly. And one day, I will do a thing, Mom versus Dad, how to who makes the better slime. So one day I will do that, and I think maybe after this video, I'm gonna make another video of my dad. So now let's do a little bit of ASMR for y'all. first, let's stretch it for you guys. Looks so cool. I don't really want to poke it on the table because it could get like wood chips in it. I mean, this is kind of sticky. Okay, so let's put you guys up close. So there's the slime. That's its finishing touch. Here, let's put you like that. And let me see if I can like hold you like this. I don't know if I can hold you like this so I can poke for y'all. Okay, so here. And I will do some ASMR poking with my mom's slime too. My mom's playing with the basketball. Can you stop?
You want to get it, Hardy? Hardy, you want to get the ball, Hardy? Hardy, you want to get the ball, Papa? You want to get the ball? You want to get the ball?
Sorry, my mom's talking to her pig. So here's that slime, and here is my mom's slime. She did amazing. But look at how good she did. This is my mom's slime. She wouldn't really care. On the table, it's kind of sticky. Like for my mom, she kind of does it a different way. But yeah, there's that slime. And I'll get this one dirty for you guys. Here's the clear slime. Thanks guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. And what do you think I should call this slime? I'm thinking of calling it Ghostbuster slime. Because I'm going to put more green food dye. Doesn't really look that green on camera, but it is actually green because of the gain. If you guys do not want it to get like the color, get Tide, the clear version. There is a clear version. And if you guys heard like a little fart noise, it's it's because it's my cousin playing with a little toy that makes fart noises. It's really weird. Okay, thanks guys for watching. Bye. And please give a thumbs up and please subscribe. And please comment down below who do you think has better slime. Thanks guys. Bye.